Why this guy they run? Me, I know they take nonsense. Because seriously, if I see any army man now, he go just out. I go knock him because me, I know the reason I see them.
Calm down.
They like
man!
Army and police and navy.
Calm down.
All these forces, I know they see them. Then go just the beat person. Ebuka, go Port Harcourt after me now. They enter Bori camp. They scatter things. Any of my friends with them beat, now me then they come call to rescue them.
You be mumu. Calm down. You think say they wise?
Me now. I go just. If I say any man, the first thing I go do now to just give a slap. Jesus. My mouth.
It is smoking, bro.
Jesus.
It is taking time.
Now you won't beat soldier man. Now you dey go barracks. They beat soldier man. Today you go finish me.
But
they act movie. Now here you die. Now you dey go barracks. They harass. You know the fear army. You know the fear army. If you know what I want to do you for here today, now you die here. Hey, you don't follow him, take beatings. Oh yeah, Jackpa, come on for here.
You only you waka come. Okay.
I know all those things that they talk now. We get.
Come on, get up.
We get.
Now here you die. You go die here.
Man.
You. If you not fit beat
What
me,
did he go to?
brother, I hear you finish.
Rich watch and cup of tea.
We get drama for our church on Sunday. So
Drama kill you. Come on,
I practice waiting. I go talk for Sunday drama.
why they take army the joke? Now army they take joke.
A few moments later.
Now even road to go to I cannot day. You want to please others and displease yourself. Now they never leave you. They have left you behind.